In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect PayPal from your Shopify store. We'll walk through this process step by step, and by the end, PayPal will no longer be available as a payment option at your checkout. This is useful if you're switching to another payment provider, simplifying your payment methods, or just don't want PayPal connected to your store anymore. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. Start by going to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin area where you can see your orders, products, and all your store settings. If you're not already there, open your browser, go to your Shopify admin link, and log in with your usual store credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, look towards the bottom left-hand corner of the screen for the settings option. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where you manage all the behind-the-scenes aspects of your store, like your checkout, billing, and of course, payments. Inside the settings menu, you'll see a list of different categories. Find and click on payments. This is the section where all your active and available payment methods are managed. It controls what your customers see when they reach the checkout page. On the payments page, scroll down until you find the section labeled supported payment methods. This is where third-party payment providers like PayPal are usually listed. If PayPal is currently connected to your store, you should see it displayed in this section. Next to PayPal, there will typically be an option or button to either disable, deactivate, or remove it as a payment method. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your region or the specific PayPal integration you're using, but you're looking for something that clearly indicates turning it off or removing it. Click that button. Shopify may ask you to confirm that you want to disable or remove PayPal. Confirm your choice. Once you do that, PayPal will be disconnected from your store and customers will no longer see it as an option at checkout. After making this change, it's a good idea to go through your checkout as a test customer, or at least preview it, just to double check that PayPal no longer appears. This helps ensure everything is working as expected and that your remaining payment methods are still active and visible. And that's it. You've successfully